In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Webflow sites for SEO. If you're ready to improve your website's visibility on search engines, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to Webflow's website where you'll create your custom site. Webflow is a visual website builder that combines powerful design tools with flexibility, making it ideal for crafting a unique and high-performing site. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, the next step is to log in. Click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all your Webflow projects. Go ahead and navigate to this area. It's helpful to familiarize yourself with the dashboard since you'll return here frequently. Now, select the specific project you want to optimize. If you have multiple projects, ensure you choose the one where SEO is most needed or where changes need to be updated. Simply click on the project to open it. This will lead you to the Designer view where the magic happens. In the Designer view, locate the Pages tab. This tab is your gateway to managing individual pages on your site. Click on it to view a list of all your site's pages. It's important to be methodical here, as each page has its own SEO settings that can be optimized. Next, find the Settings option. It's usually visible when you hover over individual pages in the list. Click on it to access page-specific settings, which includes SEO options. Here's where you can start optimizing for search engines. Finally, locate and click on SEO Settings. It's nestled within the general settings you've accessed. In this section, you have the opportunity to fine-tune your page titles, meta descriptions, and more. Remember, these elements are crucial because they define how your site's information appears in search results. Be descriptive and use relevant keywords to capture the essence of each page, which helps attract potential visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to enhancing your Webflow site's SEO. Ensuring that each of your pages is optimized for search engines can increase your website's visibility, making it easier for users to find your content. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, optimizing for SEO is an ongoing process. Regularly update and refine your settings as search engine algorithms evolve and as your content expands. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing!